Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you a little tour into my beauty room. I'm going to show you my top drawer and also my vanity and maybe my trolley that's right next to my vanity. I have referred to my top drawer so many times in my reviews, like this product is going into my top drawer. And what I mean by my top drawer is literally my vanity. So this is where I sit and do my makeup, and I can pull this drawer out and pick out what I need very quickly, just very accessible. But I do want to say that not everything in here is a holy grail, because I do keep my primers and my foundations and concealers in here. Just because I don't have a lot of them, I don't put it in like my big makeup storage on the side there. I just keep it in here because I just have little of it. But for the most part, like bronzers, lip products, highlighters, like that's my holy grail stuff that's in here. And I also don't keep my eyeshadow palettes in here anymore. I used to, but I found that keeping it in here was just taking up too much space. Like there's not much space in this top drawer. Typically when I do wear makeup, I am filming, and when I'm filming, I'm typically filming a 3-look 1 palette. So I already have a palette that I need to like use for today, and it's already on my table, if that makes sense. For example, today I didn't film an eyeshadow look or anything. I got to choose an eyeshadow palette that I wanted to personally wear. I would just grab that from my drawer, and I know what I like and love. So no eyeshadows in here, but I thought I would just give you a little tour. Maybe it can give you some organization tips. And I will be doing like a full beauty room tour makeup collection video. It's just, if you guys could see the little mess that's in the corner there, you wouldn't want to see a makeup collection video right now. I finally found like a storage piece that I want to buy, but with everything going on, like shipping and everything, it's just not good right now. So once everything is organized, I definitely will film that video, but I don't think it'll be anytime soon. So we'll just have a vanity slash top drawer tour for now. So enough talking, let's get into the tour. So here is a quick little overview of my little makeup station. This is where I sit to get ready and also to film. You can see my little camera here. But this little table is from a local furniture store that I have in my area. It's called Victor's Choice, but I think this table is just meant to be like a desk. The actual drawer is not strong enough to hold all of my makeup. It's a little bit broken and it's a little bit like wobbly as well. It's not the most stable thing, but I've had this for like almost, I don't know, 3 or 4 years at this point, and it works. I do want to upgrade to a bigger table. You can see it's very small, but for now it's fine. And then my little poof here, I just got it from my mom's house when I lived with her. It's actually like a footrest, but I like my chairs to be very low, so that's just what I use. And then the other piece of furniture I have around this area is this little 3-deck trolley. I just got it from Warehouse Stationery, and I feel like you can get these kind of trolleys pretty much everywhere and anywhere. And if you see over here, this is the reason why I'm not filming a makeup collection video, okay guys? Like I have so much stuff on the floor because my makeup storage here is full of stuff. I think maybe 4 drawers is colourpop stuff, and the remaining stuff just had to go on the floors. Let's focus on my vanity slash top drawer. So when I open my top drawer up, bing, 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 this is what we have. So I have these clear little trays in here that sort of act as dividers. These are from Daiso. They don't always have these in stock, but when I do see them, I will grab as many as I can. But we'll start off in this corner here. This is my little tray for primers. We have one from NYX, Studio Perfect. I got the ColourPop ones, Winky Lux, and the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I don't really have that many primers because I don't really use a lot of primers, but it's here. Then we have my foundations and concealers. I did just do a collection video for this, so I'm just going to link it here. I'm not going to talk about each foundation because I literally just did. I did throw out some foundations and some concealers that I mentioned in that video because it was getting old. I'm not going to use it, but you guys can watch that video if you want to know specific things. Next tray we have my pressed powders and my loose powders. So any powders will go in here. We have RCMA. This one is from Bare Minerals, their powder foundation. We got the NYX HD loose powder, the ColourPop loose powder, Juvia's Place loose powder, Fenty loose powder, and for pressed powders I have one from AOA and one from Wet n Wild. I think I might throw this one out, but that's my powders here. Then this little tray is any of my eye products. So I do have my lash curlers, I have brow powder, brow pencils, mascaras, the P. Louise base, extra mascaras that has been open, stuff like that. Anything for the eyes will go in here. And right next to that, I have my creme gel liners slash BFF liquid liners from Colourpop. I like to keep these here because when I do my 3-dimmer looks, I can go to this little tray and find the eyeliner that I want that has everything that I need. And then moving more to the back for this longer tray, I have my like cheek palettes. So I have this one from NYX, Whaley's one, which I know is not really cruelty free, but I love it so much. Got the Colourpop highlighting palette, and this is like a little Z palette from Colourpop that I keep my pressed blushes from them. So this is like my little cheek area. And then I also keep my favorite Super Shock cheek products in here. So I have this one in the shade Too Cool for School. It is a blush, but I use it more as like a cream bronzer. Between the Sheets, one of my favorite blushes. Grow Flirt, also another favorite. And then this one is a Lunch Money. So I keep these in here. These are the Super Shocks that I use the most. And then we have this component here. It's pretty similar to this one, but this tray has smaller palettes. So I have the Desi X Katie Fuego highlighter from Dose of Colors. I also have some Juno & Co palette. This blush is Per Cup from Colourpop. And then I have the Hourglass Ambient Lighting, a highlighter from Kaleidos. I have one Jelly Much shadow in Whistling Pixie. I also keep this a black eyeshadow in here as well, just like little things that I'll keep in here. And then I have 3 little trays for my lip products. So this tray here consists of ultra glossy lips and ultra blotted lips. That's my favorite ultra formula, and these are all my favorites in here. But I do keep this Dear Dahlia Blooming Lip Balm in Paradise in here as well. So we have Champagne Mommy, we got Aquarius, we got Bobbity D. Apparently I'm saying that wrong. Sorry. We have Boo. This one is Space Maker. Sorry, my camera is not focusing. The G7X sucks at focusing. This one's an ultra matte lip in Dulcet. I love Seta E. And we got Crushing ultra glossy lip. And the last one is called Scenic Route, which is an ultra blotted lip. The one next to it are all of my favorite Just a Tint lip crayons, which I have raved about so much. I keep my favorite ones in here and the rest in my other unit over there. But all of my Just a Tint lip crayons. And in the final little container, I have my Luxe products. I have 3 of the Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. So this one is Genie, this one is Air Kiss, and this one is Room Service. Air Kiss is like my absolute favorite. Been loving this one recently. I keep that in there. And I also have 2 Luxe glosses. This one is called Slow Motion and this one is called Tied Up. I keep these 2, and then underneath that I have other branded lip products that are my favorite. So the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. This one is Abu Dhabi, Stockholm. What is this one? This one is Stockholm Soft Matte Lip Cream from NYX, and this is like my favorite gloss that's discontinued from Urban Decay. It's in Kinky, but I love it. It's so old, but I keep it there. That is my top drawer. I will quickly give you a little overview of my vanity and my trolley. So starting from this side, I keep my Dyson hairdryer here, which I can't believe I actually own one and I got sent this. It's just so crazy, so I keep that here. I like to keep my setting sprays here, so I have one from Tatcha. This one's from a 3CE. We got the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and the one from Colourpop, the Pretty Fresh. Behind it, I have a Good Molecules primer. This is my toner. This is my sunscreen. My Bluetooth speaker because I'm always listening to music or a podcast. Here I have moisturizer from JUDY. I haven't used this one that much. I have a mask underneath here from Teamy Detox Mask. I'll leave a code here for you guys if you are curious about this mask. You can save a bit of money using that code. And then I also have my Good Molecules eye patches underneath here. Got my essence from this brand called I'm From. This is a new product that I've been testing out and I've been liking it so far. I'll mention it to you guys soon. But I have another mask here, but this one is from Fourth Rate Beauty. My eye cream, my serum from Good Molecules. I got some Fourth Rate Beauty oils and face milk here. That's their lip mask from the Mulan collection. Another eye cream. And then my eye drops, my solution for my contacts, micellar water. I got my brushes in here in little cups. So I got face brushes in these 2 and then eye brushes in that one. And then if we move here, I have this little clear container that's also from Daiso, but I got this years ago. And I just keep my cotton pads in here, cotton buds. I have like random tools, got my scissors, tweezers and lash glue in here. And then as for this mirror, I really don't know where I got this from. I think it might have been Farmers or something. This kind of mirror you can get literally anywhere and everywhere, but on the little plate of the mirror I keep my sponge here, my lip balm, my handheld mirror, my tweezers for my contacts, and an eyeliner sharpener. That's what I keep here, and that's pretty much like what I work with and the space that I have. I did film today, so I just need to get b-roll shots of these products and write that down and wash my brushes. And then if we move into my little trolley here, on the left we have all of my contact lenses that are open, and I know there's a lot of contact lenses to be open, I know. In this box I have the daily and yearly lenses in this one, and then the monthly ones in here. And I also keep my little filming notebook over here as well. I use this notebook to write down my notes. I got 6 of these CosRx pimple patches. I'm just stocked on these. Have some face masks that I don't really use. And this little compartment here, I have like hair stuff, jewelry, future cosplay things. And over here I just have little gems and pearls that I like to use for my eye makeup sometimes. This is the Way matte pomade. This was actually Harry's, but I just took it off him because I like to use it sometimes for my flyaways because my hair's pretty frizzy. But moving into the middle tray of my trolley, here are all of my false lashes, and you can see I have so many Petite Cosmetics. They have sent me 2 packages so far, and they have just given me so many lashes. My favorite is Honey, the one that's up here, and it's the lash that I'm wearing. Got House of Lashes, Dough Baby. These are my ColourPop ones, and this one is from Kiss Lashes. I have the House of Lashes lash book that I kept a lot of my old lashes that I just cut up to use as lower lashes now. And for the bottom tray of the trolley, there's nothing much. I just have these really big palettes, like mega palettes, that I keep here because they don't really fit in that unit. And then I just have my bag for my camera that I don't use because I don't film anywhere, but I just keep that there. So that's what it kind of looks like. That is my vanity top table and my little tour. And that, you guys, is pretty much my top drawer slash vanity table tour. Hopefully this video was interesting to watch. I know it's not the most aesthetic or minimal, clean vanity table that you ever seen, and it does feel a little bit clustered. There's a lot of products and stuff everywhere, but it works for me, and I love this little spot where I film and this little room that I have to sort of escape. Sometimes it can get a little frustrating because the table is so small, and when I'm filming a lot, things just get everywhere and I'm like tripping over everything. As you can see, there's a lot of things on the floor, so this room is still a work in progress, but I love that. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it so much if you did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!